Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we have two wearables, okay? We have the GT20 Smartwatch, also known as the GT20 Ultra Smartwatch, or the S9 Smartwatch, and we have here the DT99 Smartwatch. The other one is a somewhat in the affordable category, okay, low end, and the other one is a mid-range to high-end smartwatch. Okay, so we are going to compare the design as well as the features of these smartwatches. So if you have any questions regarding these wearables, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Okay, let's start. Again, we have here the GT20 Ultra Smartwatch, okay? And the other one is the DT99 Smartwatch, okay? So both do have a rectangular design, lightweight, and a metal body. Okay, in terms of the design, the DT99 do have a much bigger or wider body frame compared to the DT Ultra Smartwatch. The finish or the color for the GT20 is a glossy gold. Okay, there's also glossy black and silver. For the DT99, we have here somewhat like a brush finish. Okay, but it is much lighter. Okay, the DT99 is much lighter, even though it has a much wider body frame. Okay, both do have a flexible silicone strap, okay, with a quick release pin feature. So this one, it has a charging cradle. Okay, it's not wireless but magnetic, while the DT99 do have a wireless charging feature. Okay, for the display, as you can see here, the GT20 Ultra, okay, do have a much wider black border compared to the DT99 with a very slim black border. Both supports touchscreen, okay, and it is preloaded with the watch faces. There's no support for rotating, okay, crown button for the GT20 Ultra, while the DT99, it has a rotating function, as you can see here. Okay, although both do have a fashionable look, okay, and good screen display. IPS for the GT20 Ultra, while for the DT99 we do have an AMOLED screen display with a, as you can see here, always on display support. Okay, so let's check on the menus and features. Okay, let's see. On top for the GT20 we have the message notifications, settings for the DT99. On the bottom we have the different menus and features. For the GT20 we have the settings. On the left side it is, okay, watch faces. If you want to change, swipe from left to right, the same with left to or right to left. While for the DT99 we have a split screen, and on the right side we have the different menus and features with the option to add one. Okay, so let's check on the menus. So where's the menu? Okay, tap on. Both do have a Bluetooth call support. Okay, I think the colors, okay, and the text for the DT99 is much better, as well as the icons here. Okay, do have a blood pressure, the same, blood oxygen, the same, health features here. For the sports, it is limited only, okay, when it comes to sports for the GT20 Ultra, only 6 I think. Okay, 3, then 4, 7 sports. While for the GT20 we have at least 150 plus sports function. Very comprehensive, very good list. Okay, although the price for your both smartwatches, just a minimal difference, I think. Okay, with menu style. So there's a lot of options for the DT99 Smartwatch compared to the GT20. Okay, menu styles. Let's see. Okay, so good UI for the uh, DT99. Okay, settings. Okay, I think the GT20 do have a generic UI. Okay, you can also check, or you can also see this type of UI in I think Watch Ultra clone smartwatches and Series 8 clone smartwatches. Okay, so for the features and menus, okay, it goes for the DT99 smartwatch. Okay, but if you don't want to spend a few more dollars, okay, you can go with the GT20 Ultra. If you just want a simple design, okay, and simple features like telling time as well as notifications, you have the GT20 Ultra smartwatch. For our DT99, it works for almost, not all, but almost all popular social applications. It also works with the SMS, and the Bluetooth call also works okay, and the music control function. You can check our video demo on our YouTube channel. Again, this is a comparison of the GT20 compared with the DT99 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the video review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your questions if you do have that time. Bye.